For
Wow.
example, I'm making little earrings that look like flowers. Um,
Oh, great.
I'm making these bracelets for the men in my family.
Oh, wow. So handmade bracelet. Lovely.
I'm making these bags out of duct tape bags. I
Oh,
still have to finish,
wonderful.
but I'm making dream catchers.
Okay. Dream catchers.
Yes, they're these things that you hang over your bed, and they say that if you have a nightmare, this will catch it like a spider web, so you will not have a bad dream.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Gotcha.
Is it the COVID test?
Yes, exactly. COVID positive is totally negative.
Yes, I love your joke.
Negative thinking.
It's very smart.
Thank you.
Oh,
Hi, Brenda. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Yeah, doing great. So, how is it going, your day?
It's going good. I just woke up, and after this class, I'm going to eat some berries.
Oh, berry. Okay.
So, strawberries and blueberries.
Oh, strawberry and blueberry. So, and it's so interesting. And so, both taste same or mm, like
Um,
another?
so the strawberry is like this. It's red and
Yes.
big, and the
Oh,
blueberry
blueberry. Oh, okay,
is
okay,
tiny.
okay. Blueberry or blackberry.
The blackberries are actually a little bit bigger. Um, I'll write
Okay,
the names so later you can look up the pictures, but there's so many.
okay.
um,
Oh, I can see you now. Uh, your hole is black. The
oh,
skin is black.
I think it's common that Cambly does this for a few seconds when there's low
Okay,
connection.
okay, it may be, but I can listen you.
Ah, okay. Um,
Oh,
I'm texting
blackberry.
you all of them. There's also raspberries that are red,
Oh, raspberry. Okay.
and together they are all called berries when you mix them.
Okay, I got it. Oh, so and yeah, are you living where currently?
So I moved back to California finally.
Oh, wow, great. Because last time you told that you are not living in California.
I had 5 flights cancel on me every month, but now I
Oh,
am
so
back.
you are living.
And how about you? How have you been doing?
Yeah, doing great and doing a lot of paintings. And in this video, I am going to show you that painting, but you can see me. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay, so just 1 minute. I pick up some paintings that I paint during lockdown period.
Okay, I'm
Hmm,
excited.
okay, thank you. Hey, here it is. It is a rustic scenery.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, and someone is bringing the red juice. Red
hmm
juice is so sweet.
Oh, wow. That's a really beautiful painting.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. And uh, on the other hand, I painted this thing that is related to Corona. I mean, the hospital car, ambulance car.
Wow. Is this for a class or is it just for you?
Yeah, I painted it something wandering in my brain, and I can imagine. So putting all the stuffs, I just paint.
Wow, that's so cool. I love it.
And the next is fair. It is a fair.
Whoa. That's
Wait,
so
here it is
cool.
Ferris wheel.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah, and look at that man. Here it is. Here it's me. I'm bargaining something.
Oh, very smart.
Yeah, and on one last picture I painted 2 weeks ago. That is my favorite one. It is a football match.
Oh, wow, that one's very, very cool. Has a lot of details.
Yeah, there are audience and goalkeeper. Here I am dodging the football.
Nice. Wow. Those are all amazing. I love them.
Thank you.
You know,
And what situation of their corona? Is it
um,
okay?
we have a stay-at-home order, so it's not as strict as Chile. They're not going to ask you for a permit,
Uh,
but if you are, walking around at a park, they'll ask you to go home because they want you only to go for the necessities.
okay, I see. And so all the restaurant shops are open right now.
All the necessities, yes, like the big stores to
Oh,
buy
grocery
food.
shop.
Hmm.
Okay.
Because Christmas is coming and people want to buy presents, there are some other
Oh
stores that are
yeah,
open
exactly.
too. Hmm.
Yeah. So what do you plan for Christmas? Anything, something special or not?
Yeah, my family is going to celebrate at my house, so I still have
Oh,
to decorate, but we're going to make Mexican food because my family's from
oh,
Mexico.
Mexican.
Yeah,
Oh,
and we're
I
going
see.
to
You told me.
and we're going to sing some Christmas songs in Spanish, and we're going to do a bonfire
Oh,
outside.
oh, bonfire. So you love to do that
Yes,
with your
yes.
parents. Oh, great. So during bonfire, you you sing something, right?
We sing before. Um,
Okay, okay.
are you familiar with the story of Christianity?
Yeah, I know the story of Jesus Christ.
Yeah, so Jesus was born in a stable, like a horse stable, and
Yeah, yeah.
there is a song that Mexicans sing about people asking for a place for Jesus to be born, and the other people have to
Mm.
be on the other side of the door, and they sing back, "No, we don't have space." And the last house,
Okay.
they say, "Yes, you can come in our stable." And then everyone enters
Oh,
the house and the Christmas party begins.
oh, great, great. So didn't hear it, but it is really amazing.
Thank you. How about you? Are you going to celebrate any holidays this winter?
Yeah, I actually Indian people will celebrate Christmas also.
Mm-hmm.
So in that uh, auspicious day,
Mm-hmm.
we cut some cake, some beautiful cake, and pray for God in church.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
So,
because there are a lot of church situated in Kolkata. I live in Kolkata,
mm-hmm.
so Cathedral Church, a lot of things central like that. A church, Cathedral Church is famous in Kolkata.
I see. Do you do anything after church with your family?
Yeah, we are going to plan a picnic, a feast after Christmas. That would be maybe 1st January.
Mm-hmm.
So there would be a more fun.
Oh, nice. That'll be a good experience.
Yes. And so Brenda, what are may I call you Brenda?
Yes, of course.
Okay, okay, okay. So what are the things that make you happy besides being with your friends?
Mm-hmm. So recently, I started to make a lot of crafts, like you, but
Oh,
not painting.
okay.
It's more Christmas gifts. So, for
Wow.
example, I'm making little earrings that look like flowers. Um,
Oh, great.
I'm making these bracelets for the men in my family.
Oh, wow. So handmade bracelet. Lovely.
I'm making these bags out of duct tape bags. I
Oh,
still have to finish,
wonderful.
but I'm making dream catchers.
Okay. Dream catchers.
Yes, they're these things that you hang over your bed, and they say that if you have a nightmare, this will catch it like a spider web, so you will not have a bad dream.
Oh, okay. Gotcha, gotcha.
And then my last ones, I'm making some more earrings, but with bigger flowers for the adults.
Oh, so nice. Nice. So you have a lot of thing. You
Yeah,
have made a lot of things, right?
yes, correct.
Great. And I love handmade craft.
Thank you, me too. I think it's more special when you give it as a gift.
Yes, exactly. But we can give effort to make it, so it is really special to all of you.
Yes, correct. Are
And what are the things make you angry or irritated?
I guess I guess COVID because I'm
Oh yeah, exactly. COVID.
I miss going outside. If there was no COVID, I would go ice skating and to see
Oh
Christmas lights. So it's really sad.
yeah, exactly. And do you know that in 2020, positive word is a truly negative.
Can you
Can you relate?
that something positive is negative?
Yes, in 2020 especially.
Ah, yes.
Which one? Can you guess?
Positive?
Positive thing, something is positive, but in 2020 that is truly negative. That
Oh,
seems negative.
is it the COVID test?
Yes, exactly. COVID positive is totally negative.
Yes, I love your joke.
Negative thinking.
It's very smart.
Thank you.
Did you make this
And
up or did you read it?
no, no, I make it by thinking.
Wow, very good.
Something, yeah, something I think that, yeah, maybe positive, maybe negative in this year, especially.
Mm,
So that is the reason COVID positive.
okay, nice.
And yeah, are what is your hobby?
My hobby, it's a little bit difficult with COVID, but I think before I love to do martial arts. And
Oh, martial art. Yeah,
um,
great. So you are really versatile, I want to say.
yeah, thank you.
So when do you learn
I
this martial art?
so I started when I was 10 years old. My my
Oh my
my
God.
father put
So,
me in karate
yeah.
and kickboxing.
Oh, great. Okay. Wow. So, do you practice now?
No, it's very sad, but because COVID,
Yes.
all of the gyms are closed.
Yes. Yeah, that. But after COVID, I think you should go
Yes, I think so
for martial
too.
art.
I miss practicing.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. And so, who do you live with?
I live with my family, so my mother, my brother, and his wife.
Oh, so, oh, your brother is much uh, elder than you, much
Uh-huh.
older than you, right?
He's 31.
Oh, I see. So you are 23.
That can you repeat?
You are 23.
Yes, correct. You remembered.
I remember that.
And how about you?
Yeah, I live with my uncle and aunt as well as elder uncle and elder aunt and also with my grandmother. She is 75 now.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yes. And oh, my time is running out, Harsley. So it was really lovely to meet you again.
You too. Are you going to do anything
Ye-
fun after our call?
After COVID?
After this call?
No, no, not fun. Just eating dinner and sleep.
Oh, very nice. Well, I'm really happy to have talked to you again, and I hope you're doing
Yeah,
great.
me too, me too. And stay safe, stay happy, and see you soon again.
Okay, yes, you too. Stay safe, stay happy, have an amazing
Bye.
Christmas, and I hope to see you
Yeah, you
soon.
too, you too. You too.
Okay,
Bye.
goodbye. Have a good day.